Hey guys, I'm going to show you some videos. I'm going to change it up. We're going to do it in my closet where all my random posters and all my random stuff is. Mice and Men. Got these records from Rise Records merch store. Here's the front, here's the back. As bad as the track list. This is their best record by far. Their first two records were really their better ones. Let me move this out of the way real quick. I need to clean my closet out. While I show you guys the color, I'll just put this here. Well, first I'll show you the lyric insert front and back. Here's the front lyrical insert. There's the back. It shows all the tracks here. Yeah, it shows everything here, I believe. Yeah, and this is where they do their things and the produce, and this is just the back with their logo and stuff. So that's cool. I'll just put this here for right now. And I'm going to get my vinyl out. I'll tell you what the color is as soon as I get it. This is a neon green vinyl. Front and back. Nothing amazing, but really nice color. So I really enjoy that. This is the second vinyl I have that's colored green. My first one I have is a Metallica and Justice for All vinyl, which is Walmart exclusive vinyl. So let me get this back in, if it will get in there. Thank you. And let me get everything back in where it needs to be, and then we can move on to the second one that I got. Alright. Second one is Attack Attack. Sunday Came Suddenly. One of the best albums ever. I love the back of this. It has the band here. Caleb, Johnny, John, Austin, Andrew, and the other Andrew. Track list. Classic album. One of the best albums ever. And lyric insert should be in here somewhere. So here's the front. It just has all the lyrics to every song and stuff right here. Just going through quickly. And the back is where they give their thanks and everything. This is where the band members, who it was produced by, and other stuff. One of the best albums of all time, and I don't care who that makes mad. This album is goated. Come on. This is a neon pink vinyl. Front, back, just side A, side B stuff. Very nice. And that is it. That is it for my video on my two vinyls I ordered from the Rise Records merch store. And while I'm at it, this also came this weekend. And I wanted to show it because it's fitting with the genre. My Capture the Crown long sleeve sweater. This is the front, and here's the back with the Capture the Crown logo. Got that on Depop. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas if I don't make a video before then. And I'll see you all later. Peace.